Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best KetoDoc is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the ketogenic community right now, and for good reason. It's designed to help you achieve ketosis faster, stay in ketosis longer, and experience all the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle, from increased energy and mental clarity to effective weight management. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of KetoDoc to see if it's the game changer you've been waiting for. Number 5. Perfect Keto Ketone Test Strips Kit. Easily track your ketone levels with our convenient test strips. Achieve your ketogenic goals with simple urine tests. Ensure you're in the fat-burning state of ketosis. Our strips provide accurate readings to keep you on track with your diet. Integrate these into your keto lifestyle as your go-to diet tracker. Monitor your progress and make informed adjustments. No complicated procedures needed. Just a simple urine test is all it takes to get your results. Get a generous supply with 100 test strips in each kit. Plenty to support your journey for an extended period. We are dedicated to supporting your low-carb and ketogenic journey. Trust us to provide reliable tools for your success. What we like? This option offers a straightforward way to monitor your ketone levels. If you prefer a simple, no-fuss method for tracking ketosis, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those new to the keto diet or who want a quick check without complex equipment. What people say. The KetoDoc is a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their ketogenic lifestyle. Its advanced technology accurately measures ketone levels, providing real-time insights into your body's metabolic state. The device is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with a companion app, offering personalized recommendations and progress tracking. I've been using the KetoDoc for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with its accuracy and ease of use. The device provides consistent readings, helping me fine-tune my diet and exercise routine to stay in ketosis. The app is also very informative, with helpful charts and data visualizations that make it easy to understand my progress. Number 4. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Glucose and Ketone Meter. Introducing the GK Plus Meter, your reliable partner for fast and accurate ketone and glucose readings. It's trusted by professionals and perfect for managing your keto, low-carb, or diabetes lifestyle. Instantly see how your diet, fasting, exercise, and stress affect your blood sugar and ketone levels. Stop guessing and start testing with confidence. Everything you need is right in the box. This comprehensive kit includes the GK Plus Bluetooth meter, test strips, lancets, control solutions, and more to get you started immediately. Automatically sync your results to the free KetoMOJO Health app. Track your trends, monitor your GKI, and easily share your data with your healthcare provider. Our individually wrapped strips ensure sterility and optimal performance. The meter automatically detects the strip type, minimizing user error for consistent, reliable results. Rest assured with a lifetime warranty and dedicated US-based support. We provide clear instructions, helpful resources, and ongoing education to support your health journey. What we like? For those who need precise insights into both glucose and ketone levels, this is the ultimate tool. If you're managing diabetes, fasting, or optimizing athletic performance, the ability to track both with app integration is invaluable. It's perfect for anyone serious about understanding their metabolic health. What people say. This is a great product that has helped me a lot. I love the design and how easy it is to use. The features are amazing and it works perfectly. Number 3. Sports Research Keto Plus Exogenous Ketones Raspberry Lemonade. Elevate your performance with our premium keto powder. It's designed to help you achieve ketosis and support your body's natural energy production. Experience enhanced cognitive function and mental clarity. This formula is crafted to keep you sharp and focused throughout your day. Enjoy the refreshing taste of raspberry lemonade while supporting your ketogenic lifestyle. It's a delicious way to stay on track. Our product is vegan, non-GMO, and sugar-free. We prioritize clean ingredients to support your health and wellness goals. Formulated with GoBHB, our exogenous ketones help your body efficiently enter and maintain a state of ketosis. It's the premium choice for keto support. Each container provides 30 servings, offering a convenient and effective way to incorporate exogenous ketones into your daily routine. Get ready to feel your best. What we like? If you're looking to supplement your ketogenic diet with a boost of energy and mental clarity, consider this. It's designed for those who want to enhance their ketosis state, especially during workouts or demanding cognitive tasks. If you enjoy a refreshing, fruity flavor while supporting your keto goals, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The KetoDoc is a fantastic device for anyone looking to track their ketone levels accurately and conveniently. It provides real-time results, allowing users to make informed decisions about their diet and exercise. The design is sleek and portable, making it easy to carry around and use on the go. Number 2. Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink Mix. Introducing a revolutionary way to support your ketogenic lifestyle. This powerful blend is designed to help you achieve your wellness goals with ease. Experience the benefits of pure BHB exogenous ketones. Our formula provides a clean and effective way to fuel your body and mind. Stay hydrated and balanced with essential electrolytes. This mix ensures you maintain optimal hydration levels, crucial for your keto journey. Enjoy the benefits without the sugar. This powder is crafted for performance, providing ketones without any unwanted sweeteners. Leverage patented Keto BHB technology for superior results. This advanced formulation is designed to maximize your body's ketone production. Discover your favorite flavors with our 30-count variety pack. It's the perfect way to explore different options and find what works best for you. What we like. This product is excellent for individuals focused on fasting and maintaining hydration. If you're experiencing the keto flu or need to replenish essential electrolytes while in ketosis, this is your go-to. The variety pack makes it ideal for trying different flavors to support your fasting journey. What people say. The KetoDoc is a fantastic device for anyone looking to get into ketosis quickly and efficiently. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and provides accurate readings every time. The design is sleek and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go monitoring. Number 1. KetoTrak Blood Ketone Test Strips. Achieve accurate blood ketone monitoring with ease. These strips are designed for reliable and precise readings every time. Each package contains 50 test strips, providing you with an ample supply for your ketone testing needs. Ensure you're always prepared. Using them is straightforward and simple. Get clear results quickly without any hassle, making your health tracking more convenient. These are essential for anyone following a ketogenic diet. They help you stay on track by providing vital information about your body's ketone levels. Trust in the quality of KetoTrak for your health monitoring. Experience consistent performance and dependable results for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who prioritize accuracy and prefer blood ketone testing over urine strips, this is a strong contender. If you need reliable data to fine-tune your ketogenic diet and ensure you're in optimal ketosis, these strips are designed for precision. They are suitable for dedicated keto dieters seeking dependable results. What people say. The KetoDoc is a compact and portable device, making it easy to carry around. It features a user-friendly interface with clear instructions, suitable for beginners. The device provides accurate ketone readings, helping users monitor their ketosis levels effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.